Alright, mode 3.
Oh my God. Tell me, just tell me how you live it, how you get it, how you live it, how you get it.
What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be reviewing a Swagtron EB7 electric bike. This bike is a little different than the other bikes that I've reviewed on this channel. This is more of a commuter bike to kind of get around the neighborhood. The bikes that I've reviewed before have been like mountain bikes. I've never ridden anything from Swagtron before, like scooters or bikes, so that's going to be new. I actually got this from Best Buy for $599. If I can go by the box, this will probably be the smallest e-bike I've ever ridden too. So I honestly don't know if I'll keep it. So what we're going to do is unbox it, put it together, go through all of the features and functions, and then we're gonna ride it, and I'll let you all decide on whether you think I should keep this bike or return it, because I've never ridden these before. So it looks pretty interesting. You ready to put this thing together?
Yeah.
All right, let's put it together. Alright, dude, what are you doing, man?
I'm chilling in the box, man.
Why?
Man, this is my new crib.
Get out the box, dude.
This is, man.
Alright, so far it does look like this may be easier to put together than my Anshare electric bike or the other electric bike that we created on this channel. It comes with the bike itself, and by the way, this is a folding electric bike. That's why it looks like this. It comes with a seat and a pole, bike seat and a pole, as well as a box. And the white box comes with your battery charger that you need to charge your battery that this electric bike uses. So we may not need any tools to put this thing together. What? I've never experienced that before. A few things I want to mention before I turn the bike on. It does look like it comes with a somewhat comfortable seat, which I haven't gotten on the last few electric bikes. It also comes with a set of keys, which I believe you use to take the battery out. If you unfold the bike, the battery is inside. You can use this key here, unlock this so that the battery can come out. See here, let's take a look at the battery. 36 volt battery stored in the inside. It also comes with a horn, which I believe is on this button here. Pretty loud horn. This bike comes with some headlights. So if you want to turn the headlight on, you press this plus button and you hold it for 2 seconds, 2+ seconds, and the headlight will turn on. Check this out. Check out this headlight. That is pretty dope, yo. It does come with a kickstand. It does come with some suspension. That's what you see here. One thing that my Anshare did not have was suspension. The bikes are about 16 inches. I think those are 16-inch bikes. So, I mean, it looks pretty decent. What do you think?
Man, that's clean. I think. Yeah, it's clean. See what they call Swagtron.
You see what they call a Swagtron? Why you say that?
Look at these wheels, man. Look how clean these are.
Would you ride this to school?
I would get robbed, bro.
You get robbed? All right, so we just put the bike together. Believe it or not, we didn't need any tools. Everything kind of clicked into place. So what we're gonna do is charge the battery a bit. We are going to then go outside, take it for a test ride. I'm gonna ride it. I weigh about 175, 180. Alright, gonna go through some of the features on the screen here. So to turn your bike on, you hit the power button. Press and hold the power button. Alright, you can also, after this is turned on, you can hit the power button quickly to change to 3 different screen types at the bottom. By default, it looks like it's on audio, but if I hit the power button quickly, now it'll track my trip down here. If I click it again, it'll track the volume, so we're going to keep it on audio. Oh, I'm sorry, and then one more. If I hit the power button again, it goes to TI. Okay, so by default we're going to use audio. Also, this bike has 3 different modes. By default it's going to be on mode 1. I'm sure you can see that here. If I click the plus sign, it's going to go to mode 2, and if I click it again, it's going to go to mode 3. Okay, so the higher the mode, the faster you go. And in each mode you can pedal, or you can just go fully electric on each mode. So in the way you accelerate in each mode is using this handlebar over here. This is your acceleration here. See this? So you pull this acceleration here to go. Alright, so we're gonna test out this bike now. I'm gonna start with mode 1, then we're gonna go up to 2 and 3. When we do get to mode 3, I'm gonna take a little ride around the neighborhood. So you know, let's see how fast this thing is, let's see how comfortable it is. Alright, mode 1. Currently on mode 1, you see I'm going about 10 miles an hour. I'm not pedaling at all, you see this? And the ride is pretty smooth. I'm not going all that fast. See this? Alright, that's mode 1. So now, what we're going to do is switch it to mode 2.
Oh, not shaky, not shaky.
So we're going to hit the plus sign, mode 2. Alright, let's see what this ride's like. Mode 2. Pretty smooth. Trying to go over some bumps here. Really good suspension. The brakes are a little squeaky. Not gonna even lie. So this is mode 2. Got me going about, look like the max speed for mode 2 is about 12 miles an hour, 13 miles an hour. Again, I'm not pedaling. This is about how fast I'm going on mode 2. You can see this. Mode 2. Pretty cool. About to change this thing to mode 3, which is max speed mode. Alright, let's see. Have a little quick ride around the neighborhood to see how fast this thing really is. Alright, mode 3. Alright, I'm going about 16 miles an hour in mode 3, 17. Alright. So far my max speed is about oh, those brakes. Oh my. So the brakes are mad squeaky. I don't know if it's because I'm on a new bike or what, but the brakes are pretty squeaky. Alright, so far the max speed I've been able to hit is 17 miles an hour. Yo, and the bike seat is really uncomfortable. I take that back. The bike seat is hard as hell. Yeah, max speed is 17 miles an hour, and I weigh about 175 pounds, 180. So about 17 miles an hour max speed on full electric mode. Alright, so Swagtron EB7, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'll probably give it a 7. The seat is pretty uncomfortable. The brakes are a little squeaky. Also, regarding the battery life, on max speed, I rode for about 10 minutes, and it did take a battery bar away. So when you cut it on fully charged, there's 5 bars. Me riding max speed for about 10 minutes, and the other mode for a few minutes took a bar away. So I'm assuming that means max speed, you probably have like an hour of ride time if you go fully electric. So do y'all think I should use this e-bike? I should keep this e-bike? So do y'all think I should keep this e-bike for my daily neighborhood commute just to get out the house? Or do you think I should probably have something a little bigger, maybe a little faster with better brakes? Comment below, let me know. If you would like to purchase this e-bike, again it's $5.99. I'll leave the link in the description below. If there's any other e-bike or electric item that you would like for me to review, also comment below. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.